Alright, so for this video, I was originally planning on making one of those walls that the Outdoor Boys does for their like campfires, but I needed an axe head. I found this in our basement, and it's like an axe wedge, and it's still decently sharp, but I can always sharpen it. But it doesn't really have a handle, so that's what we're gonna be making today. Alright, so we got this little thing. Seems pretty sturdy. So now we're gonna go do some stuff to it to make it fit. This, it's not very sharp. Okay, so now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is extremely sharp. But there's a lot of rust on this, so I don't know. We're just gonna kind of try and clean this thing off.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me.
Instantly, it all comes off. It's not perfect, but I think it's pretty good. It's way better than the original. All right, there we go. Dude, this looks insane. It looks way cleaner than before. Obviously, there's still some rust on it, but I'm not trying to get it perfect. I just want to get it usable again, but we're gonna throw the handle on this thing. That is a nice little hatchet. I wonder how well, I do wonder how well this handle is gonna hold up though. But that is insane.